Put my hair, no makeup, a scarf. Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel today. Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel today. I'm going to do something I've been talking about for a minute. It's late and I'm just deciding to do something. I've been waiting for my camera to charge for some hours so I could finally do this. I got this brow lamination kit off Amazon. It looked real sketchy. It barely got directions, but I just feel like I'm covered in the blood of Jesus and I'm gonna be okay.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
So let's open this bad boy up. I got it off Amazon. It was like $20, I think. I'm gonna have a link to it in the description box if this work out. I wouldn't give it to y'all if I didn't think it worked out. I feel like my brows don't fall out. I feel like I got like my body should be going through stuff with me, so I feel like it's not gonna be that bad. But I really hope my eyebrows don't fall out. I'm a fast reader. So I'm finna read these instructions real quick. All right. So it seemed like I'm not playing. It seemed like I got put on this fixing gel first. I mean, it has 1, 2, 3s on it. And then I guess the direction parts is mainly just about how long everything stays on. I really just want my brows to fall out. That's all I'm saying. Like, if this don't work out, my brows still, you know, I got, you know, natural hair. I'm a curly hair bitch. And everything on me is curly. My leg hair be curly, my arm hair be curly, my eyebrows be kind of curly. Right now they seem like they're laying kind of flat, but always I got my brows up in like the brushed up position with this dirty ass edge brush. Then like this position is where I usually have my brows like, and then they kind of look like this naturally. But my brows are really like looking like what I've always wanted them to look like for real. I haven't even been filling them in, like that's how this has been going. So yeah, but look, these instructions right here, they really is just so simplistic. Okay, I'm gonna add some, it said add Vaseline on the skin and around the eyebrow. I'm gonna do that. So I looked around for a little hot minute and I ain't see my Vaseline. And my room is a mess. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I'm going through some things. So my room, terrible. I'm still looking around, like even as I talk about not being able to find it, because I really, it's somewhere in this mess. I'm gonna get it together one day. So I guess I'm just not finna have no Vaseline around the eyebrow because I'm just gonna do it right the first time because I just have faith in myself. I'm gonna use this mirror. It was sent to me by Azora Luxury Lashes. I don't know if they sell this mirror on their website, but I thought this mirror was the cutest thing. So I'm gonna use it to help me out. Yeah, my skin is like not fucking with me right now. Okay, so this one got no brush on it. It's just the gel on it. So I'm finna use, it came with this little pack of brushes on it. So I'm finna use one of these little spoolies because it don't got a spoolie on it. I really just hope my eyebrows don't fall out. That's all I want. I hope this don't burn. Hope my eyebrows don't fall out and I hope it don't burn. That's my only expectations for this. Even if it don't work out, I mean, I hope it work out, but like if it don't, it will really be okay if my eyebrows don't fall out and it don't burn. It's kind of thick. I'm gonna try to do my best to explain everything. This is kind of real thick, so I think it's supposed to like make my brows lay down. But this brow right here, there's like this brow in here that I just don't want to get with the program. It's kind of embarrassing. Like that's how you want to act in front of company. Is this already one of my brows? I'm gonna act like that's part of the brush, cause yeah, I don't have the time. Yeah, you need to lay down. If we're gonna do this for real, you need to lay down. Maybe I should zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna zoom in. So I'm zoomed in. I'm gonna still try to get this little straight hair down because this hair just gives me such a hard time with my makeup. So if we gonna really, you know, make sure everything is supposed to be how it's supposed to be, you gonna lay down how you supposed to lay down. Okay, I think this is what it's supposed to be. Now it's all kind of hard and tacky. Other eyebrow. And I'm just putting this on my brow. I'm gonna do a smaller section this time because I think it kind of dried up before I got to finish on the other brow. This isn't by no means a tutorial. I ain't never did this in my life. I just seen Aaliyah's face do it and I was like, I like my brows like that, so I should do it. Don't we love influencers? So yeah, here I am doing it. Okay, I think this is good enough. Time for step 2. Step 2 is applying the lift lotion on eyebrow. And for a thinner brow, 6 to 8. For a thicker brow, 8 to 10. I'm gonna do 9 because that feel right. So here is the second bottle. It's lipped. Here's what the first one looked like. I didn't really show. So here's the first one. It was just a little gel. And then like I said, this didn't have like a brush on it. It was just like a little gloss applicator. I don't got my phone over here. Let me grab my phone before I get to putting stuff that needs to be timed on my face. 1 second. This will have a little brush. I'm trying to be as like, I guess I'm giving a review kind of at the same time. This didn't have like a little applicator, so I'm gonna grab. They have little lip ones inside of the little package that comes with it, so I'm gonna grab one of these and I'm gonna just dip it in there and then apply the lip lotion. I'm pissed y'all ain't see what I just tried to do. I just tried to blow this fucking lid off. Yeah, no, that wasn't what was gonna happen. Oh, this smell like perm. I guess I really am perming my brows. But it does smell like perm. I know somebody's gonna ask, like, how's your brows so thick? What do you do? I'm just a hairy ass bitch, honestly. It's kind of a blessing and a curse because I get brows like this. But bitch, my leg hair grow back in 0.2 seconds. So, and you can only imagine what that coochie hair grow back in. So yeah, you don't want this life for real. It's okay. So I guess it's on now. So my brows don't fall out in the name of Jesus. And I'm gonna set this timer for 9 minutes. I'm really perming my brows. My brows ain't never been this thick and managed. My brows have been, I said I was gonna come back. And here I am talking, but hey. My brows ain't never been like thick and managed like this. My brows have always been thick and like unruly. So I feel like nice, like finally settling in with the thick brows, but like this is how I've always wanted them. So okay, I'm gonna really shut up. I have 8 minutes left. I'm gonna just wait these 8 minutes, come back when it's time to do the next step. I didn't know I was gonna be in depth in this video, but I guess I want to tell y'all what's going on. I have about 30 seconds left. Well, now it's 18, but I didn't feel like any burning or nothing. I'm really hoping I don't swipe and my eyebrows come off. Like that would really hurt my feelings. That would really hurt my feelings. But it's 7 seconds and I'm just gonna go ahead and it said to remove, but it didn't really say how. So I just got a soapy rag. It said with a cotton ball, but I'm just gonna wipe it off with a cotton ball. Like that didn't make no sense to me. So I got a soapy rag and I'm gonna just wipe it off. I don't think I wiped this off right. It just say remove. It's like it's no other instructions besides remove. It has this is a nice little package of like mini stuff. It has a nice little comb in here. So I think I'm gonna use this comb to brush my brows up again before I add the last solution, which is the lock. So it say remove and then apply. And I'll have to leave that on for another 8 to 10 minutes as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that this is how it need to be first. And I really hope I don't comb through no brows. Cause like I said, don't really hurt my feelings. Okay, so this is the lock. It is the last and final one, and I'll leave this on for 9 minutes as well. Yeah, I guess it's all the instructions. That's all they say. So that's all I'm gonna do is just put this lotion on here. I get so much on this eyebrow, so I just gotta put a lot on this side. I don't know if like a lot of product do something, but don't y'all feel like when y'all put a lot of product on, it just like really does it? Like it wasn't really doing it before, but like once you like do your thing and add a whole bunch of shit on it, it's like it's really doing its job now. And then I'm gonna rinse off. I just re-wet the rag. I'll re-wet the wig. What, bro? Shut up. I'll re-wet the rag and then come back and wipe off on camera and try to get it like real nice and wiped off. So I'll be back in. Timer's going off. I'm finna wipe it off. I'm hoping my brows are intact. I feel like they got stuff in them still. Like I feel like this soapy rag like ain't enough, and I feel like I low-key like wanna wash my face or something. I'm trying to make sure I really get this all off. I really don't want this stuff like burning me or something. So my brows are a little red from where I had like it on my skin a little bit, so I probably should have been more careful with that. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to like, I just like pat them dry, huh? Well, my brows still have stuff in them, but I'm just gonna see what happens when I brush through them like this. I guess I can give my brows a little trim, and then like they're honestly here for real. Yeah, I'm gonna cut them. Nothing crazy. Like this same hair that I was really stressed about before is still curly. This hair right here is still curly. So maybe I should have left it on longer, but I don't want my brows to fall off. So I might just do it again. Not today. Not today. Yeah, I hate that. I might have to cut it off. This looks so bad. I'm pissed that this went up like this. No, this brow just looks bad now. Yeah, the whole point of this was so I don't have to gel my brows, but I'm gonna add some gel on my brow now because, yeah, this brow is really just doing it by itself with no effort. Oh, to be my left brow. Oh, to be my left brow. Brow sucks, honestly. Am I disappointed? Yes, kind of. Not really. I can see how this part wants to stay up some more, but like, I don't know. It's not doing it for me. Yeah, that's what I feel about this. Ding. Yes, this looks pretty average. I mean, my brows kind of did look like this before. So, did this work? I have no clue. Will I try it again another day? Maybe. I'll try it again in like a week. And I'll let y'all know in like a video how it goes. But this was slightly disappointing. I love when I just come out here with some average ass content for y'all. I wasn't hoping my brow was gonna fall out, but like I was zoom out for y'all. Yeah, I wasn't hoping my brow was gonna come out, but like I was hoping I had something juicy to say in the title. Now I'm just gonna say I laminated my brows and it went okay. I laminated my brows and it turned out average. But yeah, I am gonna do it again. I'm not mad. Like, I can see how this right here is like sitting up and stuff. So yeah, I guess I'll see how it works in a few days and if I want to do it again. But that's all. This was kind of disappointing. Don't y'all love watching my disappointing videos? So thanks for watching my very average brow laminating review tutorial, I guess. Like I said, this will be in the description box, but I don't know, it really didn't do its job for me. Also, I have thick curly brows, so maybe it really said from 8 to 10 minutes, so I just wanted it in the middle, so I thought that was a good idea. Maybe I should just went for 11. But yeah, I'm big on going less so you can't regret it later on. Edibles. Like I said, I'm not mad at it, and my brows look good regardless, and they didn't fall out. So I guess at the end of the day, we didn't win, but we were very close. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, beautiful.